Welcome to JH. Recently, Headspace.com has been popping up everywhere, haunting your social media feeds like an uninvited ghost. They claim to be your lifelong guide to better mental health, promising to build life-changing habits through meditation and sleep tools, which sounds lovely if you actually have the patience of a saint. But many are wondering if Headspace is a genuine path to Zen or just another overhyped app trying to monetize your daily existential dread. Stay with me until the end, and we will break down whether this platform is worth your time or just more digital noise. The first positive sign is that the numbers don't lie, even if our exes do. The Headspace app holds a solid 4.4-star rating on the Play Store with over 1 crore downloads and an even shinier 4.8-star rating on the App Store. Apparently, a massive number of people are very committed to sitting in silence and breathing deeply. Their social media presence is equally massive, boasting over 1.4 million followers on Instagram. Because nothing says inner peace quite like scrolling through a feed of perfectly curated aesthetic quotes for 3 hours straight. Thirdly, they are refreshingly transparent about who is actually running the show. You can easily find details about their leadership team, including CEO Tom Pickett and President Christine Shu Evans. It is a nice change of pace from those sketchy apps run by a shadow king in an undisclosed basement. They have even shared complete contact details, including a physical address and a phone number. This level of openness shows they are confident and willing to communicate, a trait most scammy apps avoid like the plague. Now, let's talk about the actual user experience, which isn't always a walk in the park. Some users have reported paying for a subscription only to be greeted by a completely black screen, which I suppose is the ultimate, albeit unintentional, meditation experience. Others complain the app is slower than a snail on a Sunday stroll, taking forever to load between screens. There is truly nothing quite like waiting for a loading bar to finish while you are actively trying to prevent a midday nervous breakdown. So is Headspace.com legit? Looking at the high ratings, millions of downloads, and a leadership team that actually exists in the real world, the answer is a definite yes. It is a reliable and well-known platform for mental wellness, even if it has a few technical hiccups that might temporarily raise your blood pressure. Overall, it remains a trusted tool for those looking to improve their mindfulness. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that won't sugarcoat the truth.